Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi says no internet connection after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, go to settings, tap channel and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Launch settings, tap general, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. Tip number 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. Go to settings, enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. After that, unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Tip number 4. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Tip number 5. Turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. Go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for a few seconds, then turn on your Wi-Fi. Tip number 6. Reset all settings. For that, first launch settings, tap General and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings, iPhone passcode required and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. Tip number 7. Force restart your iPhone. For that, press Home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.